going on in Mumbai na, flyovers work is
हाँ
going on na, that's why
हाँ
he's not,
metros, हाँ
metros work.
construction of metro, हाँ
So
is
that's
going on.
why ki, people will suffer that traffic and all that
हाँ,
problem, so he's not coming.
if it is possible na, so I will definitely go to see him.
In Bhainder, I think in Bhainder,
Bhayandar.
हाँ.
I
Okay, it
was
is
about
too
to ask
far.
you where is it? Vayandar.
It is too far for my from my place, but I
Okay.
will try.
Where do you stay?
I stay in Goregaon East.
Acha, Goregaon, it's not too far from your side, na? Actually,
Bhayandar is too far.
no.
Actually, because of traffic, na.
Hmm.
That's why I'm saying.
Because in from central Mumbai or Dadar, it's too much far. But from your place, it's compared to that, matlab.
Compared to that, it is not so far, but because
If
of
you go with the
Mumbai's
local,
traffic, na.
Hmm.
if you go with the local,
Actually,
but
नहीं नहीं,
she doesn't go with the
I
local.
don't travel to local. हाँ.
हाँ. But you go to by local na, so it is convenient
Hmm.
to go there. हाँ.
Because
Bhayandar on the way. हाँ.
हाँ,
because
I don't travel.
maximum. Uh,
Travel क्यों बोल रही हूँ? I don't travel by local.
I know na.
my relatives live in Mumbai na, that one of my aunties living in Mulund, and one of my brothers in-laws are in-laws live in Dadar, and one of my one more auntie is living in yeah, central Mumbai, so they all also uh, come for that darshans and all that.
Okay,
They have come here in
means they
Nagpur.
all are disciple of your Babaji. Means your all family members uh,
Yeah, yes. Maximum we are matlab,
devotees of Babaji.
devoted of
Okay.
Babaji. In my mother's side, but not my father's side. My father's brothers are not Babaji's in devoted. My father are six brothers. Only my mother is devoted to Babaji.
Same with the Renu Bhabi. Renu Bhabi is like that because of her mother. She she is also a devotee of the Babaji. That's why Renu Bhabi is also.
In my family, we are four, but we three are devoted to Babaji. But only one my co-sister is not devoted to him. We
Hmm.
three are devoted to him
In
only.
your
In my
in
family,
Actually,
yeah.
na, I heard
In
sister.
Nagpur.
about him so many things, na, so I just want to see him. Only just want to see him. He means just
Uh,
is in it is a curiosity.
actually, who are devoted na, to from his mouth, if we will listen only one word, and we get so much like I.
I can understand whatever you feel about him.
Actually, we did not get diksha from any guruji. I first my guruji is my Ganeshji, then my bhaiya. So,
Uh,
but I like to listen any spiritual guru. I used to do this just like Gopal Das Ji Maharaj, just like ये अपने क्या कहते हैं कौन है ना वन साउथ इंडियन
mhm. Uh, I am listening from him from childhood, but I was not too much devoted to him till the age of young age. After the marriage, even I was matlab from childhood. Actually, I am habitual to listen him, na. But I was not too much devoted earlier. I was going there. I listen all time, whatever satsang matlab happens, but I was not earlier, I was not too much devoted to him. When it's time has come, when we matlab like get devoted because we
Hmm.
see some miracles in our life, then only we can uh, attract towards that any gurujis or bhagwan na.
Actually,
The
my
same
mummy
goes like with
used to
me.
listen to Adi Shankaracharya ji. She
Hmm.
got the Diksha from Adi
Acha, Disha.
Shankaracharya ji Maharaj. Ha. So when we were very young, na. So we used to go with mummy to listen his pravachan. But I was too young, na. So I couldn't understand anything. Uh, we were playing here and there, and
Hmm.
mummy listened to his pravachan only.
Same thing when I was only 5 years. On from that time I was going there to listen satsang, but I was not listening. I was playing here and there and picking things like some brokers were there, so I want chocolates and all that, so that I went with my dadiji there. That time I was not understandable ki what is going on.
In year of five, now we just want to play. So and there is a small atmosphere over there. There was so much crowd over there and so much people and bacche kids. So we will enjoy there and we will play. So in this way, we used to go there. No? But in my home, there is no atmosphere. Just like my mummy doesn't follow any followers, Guruji. After a long time and a last before marriage, she used to listen ये दो तीन अच्छा और spiritual guru. So in TV, I used to listen these all spiritual guru.
To faith
So
any god, it's your inner voice. Nobody can make you like ki.
mhm, nobody can insist us to do this. It's
It
up to
comes
us.
inside automatically, actually.
It up to
Hmm.
us.
When I was not too young, I think 4 or 5 years old. So since that time, I love to pray Bholenath always. Matlab, it comes automatically. So I'm very fond of to pray Bholenath. He is my beloved Bhagwan ji, and he is my guru as well. He is my everything actually.
Just like me, Ganeshji, Gannu Maharaj, my friend. Gannu Maharaj, my everything. Okay, let's make sentences, है ना? Sir has come.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon again. Actually, ladies' power is cut here, so I will be speaking and you will be writing. Firstly, write down verb बुरी तरह घायल करना. Sarika, repeat Hindi.
बुरी तरह घायल करना.
Ask the question to Aparna.
The what should be the verb for बुरी तरह घायल करना?
Uh, the verb for बुरी तरह घायल करना should be
Okay, you ask me, I will ask Poonam.
what should be the verb for बुरी तरह घायल करना, sir?
The verb for बुरी तरह घायल करना should be maim. M-A-I-M. Maim.
M
A-I-M. Google is not taking.
Google is taking main.
Okay. Poonam, what should be the second form of maim?
Sir, the second form of main should be maimed.
Correct. ED will come. ask about third form to Sarika.
Sarika, what should be the third form of main?
Bhabhi, the third form of meme should be maimed. Hmm.
Now
Now
Google
Google
is
is
M-A-I,
taking.
taken.
M-A-I-M-E-D.
Yes. And now
M-A.
I'm speaking one example. Write it down just under this verb. Some people were killed and so many people were maimed during the stampede.
So
Some
many
people
people
were,
were.
I repeat whole the sentence. Some people were killed and so many people were maimed during the stampede. You can see the spelling on your screen. I repeat. Should I repeat or you have written?
Stampede, stampede.
Absolutely right. Does anybody know the meaning of stampede?
I was asking to you, sir.
कुचले गए, stampede.
Poonam, do you know?
No, sir.
Okay.
कुचल,
Bhagdad.
युद्ध में भगदड़.
हाँ.
So who will translate? Firstly, speak English sentence, then translate. Who will do it first?
Should I,
Some
sir?
Okay, let Poonam do it. After a long time, she's in the class.
Okay. Um, some people were killed and so many people were maimed during the stampede. बहुत से लोग मारे गए और भगदड़ में बहुत से लोग बुरी तरह घायल भी हो गए थे. सारिका.
okay, Bhabhi. Some people were killed and so many people were maimed during the stampede. कुछ लोग मारे गए और कुछ लोग भगदड़ में बुरी तरह घायल हो गए.
Aparna.
Some people were killed and so many were maimed during stampede. कुछ
Okay,
लोग
let's
घायल
have one more round with imaginary answer. Poonam, how many people were maimed during the stampede?
So many people were maimed during the stampede.
No, Poonam, because I want to know the accurate figure. That's why you
Okay.
should give imaginary answer.
Okay. Sir, thousands people were maimed during the stampede.
भगदड़ के दौरान कितने लोग बुरी तरह से घायल हुए?
तो 1000 लोग भगदड़ में बुरी तरह से घायल हो गए थे.
Ask the same question to Sarika.
Sarika, how many were maimed during the stampede?
Bhabhi, approximately 200 people were maimed during the stampede.
सारिका, भगदड़ में कितने लोग बुरी तरह घायल हुए थे?
भाभी, करीब 200 लोग भगदड़ में बुरी तरह घायल हुए थे. अपर्णा दी, हाउ मेनी पीपल वर मेम्ड ड्यूरिंग द स्टैम्पेड?
approximately 10,000 people were maimed during the stampede.
दी, भगदड़ में कितने लोग घायल हो गए थे?
लगभग 10,000 लोग भगदड़ में घायल हो गए. Sir, how many people were killed during the stampede?
Well, according to the Times of India, 394 people were maimed during the stampede.
भगदड़ में कितने लोग घायल हो गए थे?
टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया के मुताबिक भगदड़ में 384 लोग बुरी तरह से घायल हो गए थे. The next verb is मजबूती से चिपकाना. मजबूती से चिपकाना. Meanwhile, I want to inform Poonam, because there were less people present. That's why I was giving some additional things. Because all the chapters are over, only passive voice is left. And Aparna has bought a whiteboard. Actually, it is a white sheet, and Sarika is also ready with tripod and whiteboard. Aparna is also ready. You should buy one. You can, after the class, you can talk to Aparna. She will suggest you. She got it online. Now let me ask Aparna, what should be the verb for मजबूती से चिपकाना?
The verb for मजबूती से चिपकाना should be athist ऐसा कुछ.
Okay.
Adhesive.
You ask me. I will ask Poonam and
Should be
Poonam
the
will
verb
answer.
for हाँ, what should be the verb for मजबूती से चिपकाना?
The verb for मजबूती से चिपकाना should be adhere.
Adhere.
He has taken D extra. Adhere.
Adhere.
Adhere. ADHERE. Poonam,
ADH.
Poonam, what should be the second form of adhere?
The second form of adhere should be adhered.
Correct.
Sarika, what should be the third form of adhere?
Bhabhi, the third form of adhere should be adhered. Adhered.
So, Poonam, Aparna has bought one white board and adhered on the particular wall. So you can talk to her after the class, and you can also order for that. It is not very costly. It is, so you can also
300
get ready.
rupees.
Come again.
300 rupees 2 meter.
Okay. And you will need one tripod. Aparna was already having tripod. Sarika ordered a tripod. I think she must have got.
No, sir, I have tripod.
You have.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
She is already
Means
having.
when we were trialing, na,
Hmm.
so I was using that time tripod.
Okay, okay, right. They had a couple, 1 day practical. They have done 1 day practical on board, because you will have to be teacher. You will have to act like a teacher. Whatever I used to do, you will have to do on the board. So if Renu joins, we will start from tomorrow. Otherwise, still, whether she joins or not, we will start it from tomorrow. I will give you 1 day practice. Later on, we will start day after tomorrow the final passive voice. Okay. The next, okay. Please make some sentences with adhere.
I have added my whiteboard on my wall. I have added my whiteboard ऑन माय वॉल। मैंने अपने व्हाइट बोर्ड को वॉल से मजबूती से चिपकाया है। हु इज रेडी?
Okay, I am.